Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Aurivox Financial, and in this one we are going to be talking about the current Indian equity market situation. Where we stand currently and what are the likely scenarios that could play out in front of us, that's what we're going to be discussing. So let's dive straight in. What we have on screen is the Nifty 50 chart on a daily basis for the last 15 months or so. So what we can observe here is from this period of say Feb 2024 till early June, we were oscillating in quite a tight range. And then we took off somewhere from this low around 22,000 levels and ran up beautifully all the way to 26,300, which was nearly a 20% rally in just about 4 months or so, and everyone was making fantastic returns on this. But at the same time, this was also forming a head and shoulder pattern. So you see from here it forms this left shoulder, then there's a dip, then there's a head which is the peak of the market 26,300, and then we have this right shoulder formation and eventually a breakdown. So it was not very difficult to predict that yes, the markets are moving down from this range, and within this broad category of 22,700 to 21,800 or so is where we were looking at the market to stabilize, and that is somewhere where the bottom point has also come. So you can see during this phase the market was forming these lower highs and lower lows. Yeah? So this high is lower than the previous one, then there is a low point, again the high is lower than the previous one, similarly with this lowest point, and this pattern kept repeating itself all the way up to 7th April, from where we had suddenly a nice and steep rally which has now taken us above this previous zone which was created here, and now we are holding steady above these levels. So this is also close to the previous left and right shoulders of the fall, and we are not in a tearaway bull market yet, so unless we cross the previous highs, I think this could turn out to be a reasonable phase for accumulation. So you could look at probably SIPs, STPs and getting back to equities in a staggered manner. Having said that, this is not to be construed as investment advice, because markets are very dynamic and we always advise you to consult with your financial advisor before taking a call on these things. What we do at Aurivox Financial is we help clients build multi-asset portfolios that can weather the storm of the markets across various cycles. And if you're interested in more of what we do, please do visit our website www.aurivoxfinancial.com. You could also like our social media handles. And if you are happy with this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.